As a parent, there's nothing more beautiful than a photo of your daughter's smile. And you'll probably want to share it on social media. The perfect daughter caption will help you tell the world how special she is, how proud you are to be her parent, and celebrate your bond. Whether you're looking for a cute caption for Instagram, or a father-daughter, or a mother-daughter caption for your favorite photos. Together, a sweet and simple praise will let your followers know how she means to you. Thanks for watching. Team Madla.